Hello everyone, today we have a tutorial for beginners. This tutorial is written by Naomi Wilson and it explains the concept of assignment and getting the length of string. In the end of the tutorial we see the steps tree and the code. We can run it together. We will select the source code, copy. Then we will go to programming without coding technology. And here I will paste the code, then press enter. And now we see our steps. We can run this and see the output or press Ctrl D. So he says, I'm happy to start this course today. The length of the string I wished PWCT had more tutorials for beginners is 47. The value of 2023 or 2023 is the result of the following expression: 5 plus 5 plus 5 plus 3 plus 2000. Okay, and to know how to create this program and use the different components like the assignment and the print component and so on, we can just click this button, which will use the time machine to play the program step by step. So click on it, and now we see the use of the assignment component to define variable to get the length of the string, and this variable will be 0 at the start. Then we have another variable for the integer expression and a third variable for the string. Then we print a message on the screen that we print the length of the string. Of course, in the start we print the string, then we get the length of it using the len function, then we print the length of the string. We can go to full screen mode, press Ctrl L to see the different interaction pages like this, and we can read the program using the interaction pages if we want. So this tutorial is more about the assignment component. When we assign a value, here we have a number inside our variable. Here we have expression, and here we have string. We print the literal, then we print the expression where we mix this literal with this string. And here we get the length of the string using a function called the len function. Then we print the expression stored, the result of the expression which is stored in this variable. After that we see the final string like this by printing this expression. So I hope this tutorial is simple to understand, and thank you very much to the author. Thank you, Naomi Wilson.